Hi guys, so today we're going to be talking about Ishawna leaving Downtown and Joe Bogdanovich and all these things because Ishawna they jump from one management team to another and I feel like say she need a bit of guidance. Okay guys, so if you want to hear my thoughts and opinions on Ishawna leaving Downtown and Joe Bogdanovich, and please keep on watching your girl. This weekend, Ishawna actually came on stage and talked to Winford Williams and talked about why she left Downtown and Joe Bogdanovich and all these things. I'll try to insert clips here and there if I can. But she left Downtown, she left Joe Bogdanovich, she still have her Benz. Let's just put that out there. She still have our
Mercedes Benz was at the center of it. Where's the Benz now?
It's still there.
All would wonder she still have our Benz. But Ishawna left from Footer Hype to Downtown in a space of what, 2 years? So honestly, I feel like Ishawna is very talented. She's one of the female artists them in a dancehall that I think if she have the right management and the right people behind her and just that focus and drive, she can go very, very far in the dancehall music industry. Me feel say she have the talent, she have that it factor to her. Her stage presence is on point. Her delivery is on point. The way she carries herself is A1. And if people don't actually kill me, me feel like out of all our dancehall artists them, when she hit the stage, she always look presentable, put together, her clothes, makeup, hair, everything on point. And I have to give her that. Nobody now fuck up her makeup and make her face white and her body black and all these things. She got that down pack. I respect women that can do that because some of them be looking like some ghost. Okay? They be looking like it's Halloween time, 365 days a year on stage. I'm sorry, but Ishawna, I feel like she have most of the qualities of a great dancehall artist, female artist down pack. She just need that management team. She need that core management team behind her to push her and believe in her vision or believe in the brand that she wants to make or she wants to build and help build it with her. So when I feel like it's not a good look for her also for her to be jumping from one management team to the next or from one producer to the next and all these things. You know how people stay in a society, especially Jamaican society, and how they look for a woman when they jump from like one hood to the next and to the next. And as far as people is concerned, Ishawna a dancer who work her, she fuck this foot and she fuck this a man, she fuck bounty killer, she fuck all type of people in the dancehall basically as to what people speculate and say. Nobody really know if it's true or not. Nobody ever came out and say, yo, me fuck Ishawna, this, that, blah, 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 hasted and cow, fat and cow, jump over the moon. So it's all alleged fuckings or alleged everything that's out there about her. And it don't look good because you know how Jamaican people stay, you know how Jamaican people talk, especially when you're a woman and then say a whore and you're this and you're that. Because Jamaica has just been that. A man can have 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 women, fuck out the whole of Jamaica, fuck out the whole of the dancehall entertainment business, and he is looked at as a don, as a boss. Him a the real bad man, him a the real gallus. But if a woman fuck out the whole of dancehall or fuck out the whole of Jamaica, she's classified as a whore, as a bitch, as every bad thing in the book basically. So that's just how Jamaicans are. That not even Jamaica, worldwide. That's how people think. That's how people see women. That's the stereotype that we will always live by. And me feel like Ishawna need to protect her image where that is concerned, because you know, look good for people have you as dancehall whore, and that's just tarnishing your brand. That just dirty up your brand, and I make nobody want to work with you, because if that's your brand, who is gonna want to work with a prostitute, a whore, that they classify her as in dancehall? But I feel like she have everything intact. She just need that great management team. She needs somebody that's gonna push her, that's gonna have the same vision as her, that believe in like an equal thing. It's not about sexual thing, it's about business. And I feel like she needs to separate the emotional side from the business side, and don't mix the two. Because when she mixes the two, it always ends up blowing up in her face, basically. It always end up blow up in her face, or something bad always happen and she have to left, and all these things. So keep the business, and the sexual part, and I'll mix and match the two. If you can't manage that, if that's not something that you can handle, do not mix them, because God knows, every time I mix them, it blow up in your face, and it's not a good look. I just hope she actually stick to what she says she's gonna do, get a actual good management team. She not rush into nothing. That's what she said on stage. She's not rushing into anything, and I'm happy that she is learning from her mistakes, and she's not rushing into any management agreement or record deal agreement with anybody. She's just weighing her options, basically. So I like that. She needs to weigh her options and think very business-like, very business savvy, because I feel like she have that potential. She have that potential. Me feel like Ishawna can kick with Spice foot if she have the right backings and she have the right people behind her. That's just my thoughts and opinions. Me no business who wants a different. Okay? Yeah, I like her like that. Me believe in her like that. Yeah, if it come to the test and she got everything in line, all the stars are aligned, me feel like say yes, Ishawna can be that girl in a dancehall. So that's my thoughts and opinions on the whole Ishawna leaving Joe Bogdanovich and leaving Down Sound and all the wrangle and tingle that she has been going through. So keep business, sexual. Get your management team intact. Get somebody who believe in you. And that's just it. And for all like people, them love to talk about how she use her pum pum for do this and she use her pum pum for do that. No for only they use on a pum pum for do plenty of things and we can't feed the children. So leave the woman alone. If she want to use her pum pum to get what she want, make sure she use her pum pum. At least she get Benz for her pum pum. Some of you can't even afford a Toyota for no pum.
Daniel DC Chambers wants to know why you always sing about checking people, man.
Because that me do for a living and that me do great. Wow. So please leave her alone, okay? Me don't want to see all the comments there in my comment section, because I already see them all over the place already. And we're not here to tear down women, we're here to uplift women, actually. So don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl. I'm out of here. Deuce.